Hello everybody, welcome again to another video on pronunciation. Today we're going to be looking at the sound. What I'm going to do for you, I'm going to explain exactly what it is, how to form it within the mouth when your tongue to help you sound better, lots of examples with words with different spellings in which this sound forms, and at the end, if you wait for it, there's going to be a quiz as well to test how much you're learning about your phonics. So, with lots to get into, with no further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so the sound. First of all, we're going to look where exactly this falls within our short vowel map, okay? The sound falls in about here. How do we say it is the key question. Well, it's central. If this looks unfamiliar to you, please check the links in the descriptions. There'll be a little thing to click on here as well to refer to my other videos which will explain this more for you and will help you to understand it in more depth. So, we say it really is quite a central sound, okay? It's not at the front of the mouth, it doesn't come from the back, it's really quite central, okay? As in cup, lunch, up. It often gets confused with the sound, back, cup, but sometimes learners who haven't been taught this get these sounds confused. The way to remember it is that it's not like E, which comes from the front of the mouth, but it's a. Just try saying that. Beach, cup, and if we say beach, back, cup, you should be able to feel it a little bit lower in your mouth, okay? Let me explain in a little bit more depth for you. So this sound. How exactly does it work? Well, the technical name of it is the near, open, front, unrounded vowel. As always, this sounds very confusing. Just to remind you, an open vowel, meaning that the tongue is as far as possible away from the roof. Don't know why my hand was there. It's held up. Anyway, it's as far as possible from the roof of the mouth, so it's quite low in your mouth, okay? Near open, meaning that it's not right at the bottom, but it's a little bit further up. The tongue is slightly higher from the bottom of the mouth, and this is your tongue placement that you're looking for. It comes from the front of the mouth or central towards the front of the mouth, and it's an unrounded vowel, meaning that you do not do an aw, like a rounded vowel, aw, with your lips. This is It's also a voiced vowel sound, meaning that it comes from the throat, which means that it's not like f or p, it's Okay. Let's have a look at some words with different spellings which feature this phoneme. Okay, words written with a U. For example, bus. We have but. Fun. Lunch. I'm hungry. And sun. Okay, if you look in the phonetic spelling, it's all quite simple. Maybe lunch looks a bit unfamiliar with a ch sound. But the rest of it is the bus, but, fun, lunch, sun, if you're English. Okay, let's move on. We're going to look at words with the O next to the M. So words that are spelled with the O next to the M. So for example, come. We don't say com, it's come. Cup, and then the word, for example, come, or comfortable, okay? Really important, you can start to seeing this little pointed symbol that's at the top of the screen in the phonetic spellings. It's really useful if you know how to say this perfectly. It means you can look up the word on Google, you get the phonetic spelling, and you know how to say this easily, okay? What else do we have? We've got mother, not mother, mother. Let's have a quick check in with Miss Google, see what she says. Okay, let's have a check. Miss Google, how do you say this word?
Mother.
Mother. Again, sounds crazy for me to do it like this, but that sound.
Mother.
Thank you as always, Miss Google. Let's head back. What other words do we have with this O next to the M? Some, come, comfortable, mother. And finally, stomach. I hear this word said all the time incorrectly. Remember, it's not a ch sound at the end, it's a k sound at the end. So, stomach. A hungry stomach. Okay, here we're going to look at words that are spelled with the O between the M and N. So words, for example, like among, not among, among. We've got words like Monday, which most people say correctly, but again, it's not Monday, it's a Monday. Money, not money, money. Monkey, a monkey. And month. All of these, although they're written with O, the letter O, we pronounce it with a because a lot of words that have the O between an M and an N, we pronounce with this sound. Little rule to help you. Okay, where else do we go? Let's have a look. When the O is next to the N when it's been spelled, for example, another, another, not another, another. Let's quickly check with Miss Google. Let's have a look at another, how it sounds. Miss Google.
Another.
Another, 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 another.
Another.
Thanks very much. Let's go back. Another one. We've got done, not done, done. Front. People are sitting in front of the big cinema screen, as you can see. London, not London, London, London. And finally, none. Okay, let's move on. Words which feature the O next to the N. So for example, words such as nothing, nothing. One, one. Once. Sun, not son, sun. The same as the sun in the sky, where the homophones, exactly the same sound. And a strange looking image, I'll be honest, but disgusting. Tongue, tongue. It's a at the end, tongue. Let's move on. Words with O between the N and the W. Remember, this is always a spelling in the way that it's spelled. Words with the O, the letter O, between an N and a W. So, for example, words like won, I won a medal. Wonder, wonder. Colosseum is one of the great wonders of the world. I think it actually officially is. Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong. And wonderful, okay? All sounds. Words that are spelled with the O next to the V, we've got above, not above, above, cover, discover, dove, and glove. Okay, dove, glove, love, all sounds. Just about there now, hang in there, just about there. I really want you to get a full understanding of this phoneme. With the O next to the V, we've got words like government, government. We've got love. We've got lover, lover. Not love, or in English, lover, lover. I would say the lover. Oven. You cook your dinner. And a shovel. Something that you use to dig holes. All of these with the O next to the V, and it's the sound. These are common mistakes people make. Moving on, with an O and a U, we've got country, not country, country. Make sure that you put the ray onto the end of that word, or it becomes very rude. Okay. We have cousin. We have double, touch, and young, all with the sound, with the O and the U together, making the sound. And finally, some spelling anomalies, some others that we've got with O, does, doesn't. With the double O, blood and flood. They're the most common double O sounds that we have. And with OUGH, we have enough, tough, rough, all with this sound. Okay. It's quiz time. I promised you, it's quiz time. Let's see how well your phonics and understanding of phonics and the spelling are beginning to improve. What's going to happen is you're going to get a word come up, and I want you to tell me what you think it is. Write it in the comments if you like, or just say it and I'll definitely hear it. So, which one do you think this is? Huh? Which one do you think this is? Give you a clue. It's public. Public. What about this one? What do you think? Can't hear you. Does that help? It's summer. Summer. Or summer, an English accent. Number 3. What is that? If somebody makes you laugh, for example, they are funny. There we go. Not fun meaning enjoyable, funny. Number 4. Which one's this? Oof, that should be easy. What is it? Lucky. Okay. And our final one. It looks strange. Looks strange. What is this word? Surely this will help you. It's button. And we're done. I hope this has been useful for you. Well done if you've stuck in until this very final minute of the video. I'm very proud of you. Get learning them. Get used to this sound. Get used to saying it correctly. Watch this video a couple of times to make sure you are not confusing your and your sounds. Easy to confuse, don't you make that mistake. As always, like, even better, subscribe, ring that little notification bell every time you click it. What does it mean? You're going to be notified when I upload a new video. Even better, follow me on Instagram. Yes, all the different modern communication tools are here in my channel. Instagram, YouTube, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want more videos like this, let me know. If you have any specific requests, let me know. Well, it's been a pleasure as always, guys. Good seeing you all, and until next time, look after yourselves.